Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Marlin in KingShot. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to get Marlin in KingShot and gradually build him to your hero roster. Marlin doesn't appear directly in Hero Recruit's drop rate, so you'll need to collect his shards to unlock him. Start by opening your Heroes menu and selecting Marlin. Tap the plus button next to his shard counter to view available ways to obtain them. If an event offering Marlin shards is active, you can go directly to it. Otherwise, check alternative resources such as a Swordland event where shards can be purchased with relic coins and participating in the Swordland Showdown. Keep in mind that there are purchase limits per event, but this can refresh over time. Collect a total of 10 shards and Marlin will be unlocked, ready to join your lineup. By strategically participating in events and managing your relic coins, you can efficiently obtain Marlin and strengthen your roster and KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.